This video explains how to check captured data on smartphone app. Use GShock Move app to analyze and manage captured data. The captured data is automatically transferred to the smartphone. Mobile app home screen displays summary of latest activity, training progress, status and other data. Use the activity history screen to monitor route taken, distance, time, and other readings. Also, the time spent in heart rate zone, pace, heart rate, gradient, and lap time will be displayed. Use the activity analysis screen to check the target achievement rate and performance levels.